This is a nice little balloon back chair in Rosewood. Just cover that up so it doesn't get dirty. The thing that's wrong with it is that's loose, so it needs taking off, cleaning up, putting back on. A bit of a fight. Oh, there we go. It's been broken off before because there's a lot of PVA glue in there. Yeah, that bit's been broken off as well at that point. I'll clean it up, see what it's like. You see there's just a little bit of fill around there where it's not joined up very tightly. So I just want to get it back down to bare wood. Just get rid of all these bits of glue. And see if it does go back together or the wood's just moved. And it'll need filling again, unfortunately. I don't know what size this dowel is. It's an odd size, that's. I might take it out. Just drill it out. And put a fresh one in. So I'll clean the hole up with a drill bit on both pieces so I'll get a good join, because this now will just end up loose once I clean it up. That's the bit that's been broken off there. So it's a little bit higher, and I think that might be why it was producing a gap at the front. So if I can skim a bit off this. Doesn't do your chisels any favours scraping glue off. So when I'm cleaning up with a scraper, I'm keeping my thumb and the pressure in the middle because I don't want it to round over and take the corners off. But because it's a straight scraper, it will get the corners as well, get right up to the edge. But you can see it's still got some filler on there. You've got to keep this flat, or you won't get a good join. Now they're a bit loose. That one lines up nicely. That one's got a step in it. You can't really cut any of this. If you even sand any of this down, it'll just go virtually black. It goes really dark. So you can't really touch the outside, the surface. So you just have to line it up as best you can. But one fits, one doesn't, and there's not much you can do about that. But I can tighten these dowels up. So I'll have to cut these off, clean out the holes, turn some more dowels till they fit a bit neater, so I don't get any of that wobble. it should be a better join. See if I can get the centre as close as I can. I think that's about as close as I'll get. I don't want to drill any of the rosewood. Just want to get as much of the centre of that dowel out as I can. The dowel is about 11mm, so I've started off with a 10 because I don't want to cut into the rosewood, but it was getting a bit close at the top here, so I stepped it down to an 8. So I've gone right through. So I'll have to clean the rest out with a chisel. That's coming away. The actual dowel that was in there is ramming, so it's not the original. The original one would have been in beech, so it's obviously been changed before at some point. I've cleaned the holes out as best I can. And I've cut a couple of bits of beech to turn the new dowels. feels solid enough. That line's up there, but it doesn't here. That one's alright. Whether that's just shrinkage over the years or someone skimmed some off there at some point. Just putting a few V grooves in to let the glue out. Make sure the thing goes together. I don't think any of this glue on the ends here is going to do much, because it's not a very good drawing. I was going to put a strap clamp on, but it just pulls it out of line. It's just a matter of putting a bit of pressure on. Let that glue squeeze out. See, it's pulling away a bit. That's it, that's all you can do. They're not a good design, I don't particularly like them. They look nice, but as a construction method, it's not the best. So the glue's dry, it feels pretty solid. That's come out alright.